Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you pair Wi-Fi in your Motorola phone. Guys, you want to pair Wi-Fi in your Motorola phone, so guys you can pair it. And guys, now let's see how to pair Wi-Fi in Motorola phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you pair Wi-Fi. So friends, first of all open your phone setting to pair Wi-Fi. Then guys scroll it, network and internet tab, and guys click on Wi-Fi. And guys, you want to add network, your Wi-Fi network you want to add, so guys you can add from here. So guys, now I am going to show you how to pair Wi-Fi. So we will take this Wi-Fi guys, or like sorry friends, I have this Mukesh Wi-Fi. So I will enter password here. Guys, you can check your password from here, and guys you can see this cancel and connect, tap here to pair. Then guys your Wi-Fi will pair in your Motorola phone. Guys, you can see Wi-Fi has paired. So I hope friends you understood how to pair Wi-Fi in Motorola phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.